hello my dear friends, in this video basically we are going to talk about HL Ahuja के कौन से important chapter हैं for macroeconomics. Here you can see that the syllabus and the topic wise the discussion I will be giving. Basically in this video we are going to see कि HL Ahuja के कौन से important chapters हैं. There are nearly 22 chapters. I would say 40 chapters if you see the sub parts of HL Ahuja. All 40 chapters are not important. So in this video basically we are going to give a discussion about which chapters are VVI, which chapters are less important and which chapters are not important at all. So chalo, let us start this video, and in this video you please stay tuned till last of this video because मैंने clearly mark कर दिया है कि इस chapter से ये questions आएंगे. Please don't skip any kind of part from this video, otherwise it could really cost you, क्योंकि मैंने काफ़ी डिटेल से काफ़ी मेहनत से ये वीडियो बनाया है विद द गिवन इंपॉर्टेंस कि CUET में कौन सा तथ्य इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो चलिए इस वीडियो को हम लोग पूरे देखते हैं, सारे टॉपिक्स को लेंगे, एवरी कीवर्ड्स को. वी विल सी कि नेशनल इनकम के कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हैं, किन्सियन से कौन से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, क्लासिकल के कौन से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, या इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक्स के कौन से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, एक्सचेंज रेट से कौन से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, बीओपी से कौन से क्वेश्चन आएंगे. तो चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फुल टूर ऑफ HL Ahuja मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स विल डिटेल डिस्कशन. प्लीज hit a like button and please subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any kind of important updates. Chalo, let's start this HL Ahuja macroeconomics. Guys, chalo, let's start. As I have promised you, we'll start macroeconomics. What are the important topics that you have to do? So first topic is macroeconomics में आपका है nature and scope. Nature and scope से 1 or 2 questions you can expect from जो आ जाता है डेफिनेशन टाइप से कि रिसोर्स स्कैरसिटी का डेफिनेशन कौन दिया और वगैरह वगैरह कौन दिया. बट फॉर जनरल ओवरव्यू हु आर वेरी पुअर स्टूडेंट हु हैज़ नो एनी आइडिया ऑफ क्रोनोलॉजी यू कैन रेफर. बट इन माय व्यू चैप्टर 1 इज नॉट दैट मच इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफ HL Ahuja. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर 1 or 2 question for sure. So very important chapter, circular flow of income, national income accounting. So you must do this chapter. Next comes classical, yes, VVI. So whatever important I will be keep circling and you can pause the video and note down the important chapters. Please join the Telegram link which is given below and you can get this PDF from there also. So this is classical economy. Yes, classical is very important because so many things question has been already asked. Neutrality है, supply curve है, फिर determination of market का कैसे होता है, wage flexibility है, very important. Next chapter है आपका Keynesian. Yes, Keynesian करना है. So whosoever are very important, I will just circle it. Whosoever not that much important, I won't circle. So Keynesian करना है, yes. Determination आपको करना है क्योंकि इसी में आपका multiplier का theory है. Multiplier theory काफी important है. 1 or 2 questions every year is asked. डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ नेशनल इनकम विद गवर्नमेंट, दैट इज की 3 सेक्टर मॉडल. 3 सेक्टर मॉडल है यह. तो यस, यह टॉपिक आपको करना है. यस. नेक्स्ट कम्स इन्फ्लेशनरी एंड डिफ्लेशनरी गैप. यू कैन जस्ट गेट द बेसिक्स और यू कैन स्किप दिस टॉपिक. कंजम्पशन फंक्शन में जिस सिर्फ आप देख लेंगे मैच द फॉलोइंग, इससे आता है मैच द फॉलोइंग टाइप से आता है क्योंकि विच थ्योरी वाज गिवन बाय विच, लाइफ साइकिल गिवन बाय होम, कंजम्पशन थ्योरी अकॉर्डिंग टू this Keynes about what, then next theory also is about psychological law and different kinds of theory, match the following consumption functions. So you should definitely do this chapter. Then comes post Keynesian theory of consumption, very important. one question definitely. Ratchet effect क्या होता है, long run में short run में consumption function कैसा होता है, relative income hypothesis क्या होता है, demonstration effect क्या होता है, Franco Modi Giuliani said about what. So this you can do. Just basics, just give a reading. Investment demand you can skip, but it is not that VVI, just basic you should have an idea कि मार्जिनल एफिशिएंसी ऑफ कैपिटल क्या होता है एंड रेंटल कॉस्ट वगैरह कैपिटल के क्या होते हैं. हियर यू कैन सी डिटर्मिनेंट्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, केन्सियन जो बोला था, दैट्स इट. थियरी ऑफ मल्टीप्लायर एबव you have already done, so from there it is already covered, so no need to do, you can skip it because same thing you will be getting. Impact of multiplier, paradox of thrift was given by Keynes, you should know that. So this is a replication, you can skip. So I would say you can skip if you have done chapter 5. Next come aggregate supply, aggregate demand. So not that important, it is not that important chapter, just you should be thorough with the classicals and Keynesian aggregate supply, that's it. These are not that much important. Again comparison of Keynesian and classical, not at all. But for general overview, if you have not revised well Keynesian and classical separately, then definitely you should do this chapter because very important chapter, because they have given classical dichotomy, money supply, depression, classical versus Keynesian, unstable aggregate demand. So you should do definitely if you have not done properly Keynesian and classical separately. If you want to skip those chapter, then you can definitely do this because it is VVI chapter in my view. चलो नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, यस अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट में इससे भी मैच द फॉलोइंग आते हैं, मैच द फॉलोइंग आएगा एंड दे विल आस्क यू कि कौन सा वॉलंटरी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है, कौन सा स्ट्रक्चरल है, कौन सा सीजनल है. सो लाइक दिस, सो दिस इज यस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर. Let me tell you, if you cover HL Ahuja macro, so HL Ahuja macro has very variety because it covers, HL Ahuja covers your growth also, growth, few topics development, few topics international trade, and few, not few, almost all topics macro. So you can definitely do this. Next, ISLM, VVI, 2 question for sure. Yes, ISLM you must do all the numericals. Please practice all numericals of ISLM of HL Ahuja. That's it. No need to practice beyond that. Then comes Phillips curve, just basics. If you have attended my class in my online batch, I have already taught all these things. So rational expectation क्या है, adaptive expectation क्या है, Phillips curve क्या है, that's it. And who gave the Phillips curve, that's it. No need to go beyond that. Then comes supply side economics. Yes, very very important. Just 2-3 things you should know. What is supply side economics, what is Reaganomics, and what was the stagflation things which happened during 1990s and 70s. Just basics. New classical economics, basics you should do. What is new classical economics and what is the policy ineffectiveness, that's it. No need to go beyond that. So in the same chapter you can cover real business cycle with new Keynesian, that's it, that's it. Now new Keynesian, just elementary things you should know, no need to cover in detail, just basic what is new economics and what is the basic ideas, that I have already covered. You can avoid this mathematical and price adjustment coordination, not important. Very very important, money and multiplier. You can skip the nature but you should know what is the role of money. So role of money आपको करना है, yes, VBI है ये. फिर आता है क्रेडिट एंड कॉमर्शियल बैंकिंग. क्रेडिट एंड कॉमर्शियल बैंकिंग में आपको क्रेडिट क्रिएशन पूछा जाएगा बिकॉज यह मनी एंड बैंकिंग का पोर्शन है. सो मनी एंड बैंकिंग के पोर्शन से काफी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. सो दिस चैप्टर विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू, सो यू मस्ट डू दिस चैप्टर. सेंट्रल बैंकिंग डेफिनेटली यस, मनी एंड बैंकिंग यहाँ से आपका कवर हो जाएगा. दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ HL Ahuja. इफ यू कवर HL Ahuja, मनी एंड बैंकिंग आपका कवर होगा. मोरल सुएशन क्या है, आपके कौन से क्वालिटेटिव टूल्स हैं, कौन से क्वांटिटेटिव टूल्स हैं, कैसे क्रेडिट क्रिएशन होता है, दिस थिंग्स इज कवर्ड अंडर दिस. ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी, yes, these are very very important chapter for Indian economy also. This also cover Indian economy because HL Ahuja is Indian writer, so they have written money and banking from the Indian perspective. So this you can do. Here you can skip, here this chapter you can skip. Supply and determinants of money, definitely you should do. Demand for money, liquidity preference, very very important because LM curve is derived from here. Money market equilibrium, Keynes speculative demand for money, precautionary demand for money, everything has been discussed. So definitely VVI chapter, you must do this chapter. Next come post Keynesian theory. Basics you should know, what was Tobin theory, what was Baumol. Don't go into that deep because it is not even in syllabus and question has been not asked that much. Sometimes question was asked what is portfolio theory and what was Tobin and Baumol theory, that's it. Now comes VBI, money and banking में आपका money आएगा. Yes, this is very very important. See, the beauty of HL Ahuja is that 1/3 is repeated. If this page number had some content, next page again 1/3 of will be of previous page. So this chapter you should do Keynesian's monetary approach. So if you have already covered previously Keynesian money supply, then you can skip. Otherwise यह आपको करना है, काफी ज़्यादा important है यह. फिर monetarism and Friedman है, restatement. Yes, restatement theory because Friedman says कि money demand जो है वह function of permanent income है, while Keynesian said it is only temporary or present income. So monetarism and Keynesian, yes, very very good book. Inflation and hyperinflation, yes, inflation chapter VBI. Then CPI WPI, please refer, one question definitely from here. CPI WPI क्या होता है, yes, you must do these chapters. Next come business cycle, just you can skip because basics idea you know what is business cycle model, we have covered earlier chapter. So here you can skip, just know what is business cycle model. Don't read, not important. Caldor and Goodwin, not important, question has been not asked. Rational expectation, monetarist view, not important. Earlier we have already covered. Real business cycle, just basics you should know what is real business cycle. If you have covered already, that's it. Otherwise you can skip. Economic stabilization, this is the part of fiscal policy and public finance, PF. Public finance you can read there also, but here very good controlled way में दिया गया है from the Indian's perspective. So yes, you must do this chapter. इकोनॉमिक स्टेबलाइजेशन मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी, दैट मीन्स मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी के टूल्स आपको दिखाए जाएंगे कि हाउ इन्फ्लेशन एंड डिफ्लेशन इज कंट्रोल्ड विया मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी. सो डेफिनेटली यू शुड डू दिस चैप्टर. Then this is the part of fiscal policy. See, from the macroeconomics point of view, you can entirely skip part 4. But from the CUET perspective, public finance if you want to do, then definitely you should do this chapter. Public expenditure हो जाएगा, finance and government expenditure. You can skip the data because data is outdated, and I will be providing you current data from current budget survey and current economic survey. Don't worry. Yes, you should do government budgeting and debt borrowing theory. You should do because I have seen in JNU and SCU question was asked on Ricardian equivalence. फिर गवर्नमेंट बजट है, ये सब तो आपको करंट से करना होगा. यू कैन स्किप. ओपन इकोनॉमी में यस, VVI BOP VVI, यस यू मस्ट डू. देन कम्स नेक्स्ट टॉपिक फॉरेन एक्सचेंज. यस VVI यू मस्ट डू. VVI आपको कर लेना है, ISLM करना है, मॉनेटरी अप्रोच रखना है. यस थियरी See how to do. Please avoid mathematical derivation, and don't fall in the trap of that diagram. Just basics you should know. What is flexible exchange rate, what is fixed exchange rate, and what are features. That's it. Because we have to do according to CUET. International multiplier जो है you can do, or it's up to you because question has been not asked that much. So you can do, it's up to you. फ्री वर्सेज यस, देखिए इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड आ गया. दैट्स इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ एचएल अहूजा. इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड यहाँ से कवर हो जाएगा. यू मस्ट डू मुंडेन एंड फ्लेमिंग, यू मस्ट डू. सी दीज ऑल आर द टॉपिक ऑफ इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड थियरी. ग्लोबलाइजेशन, WTO, इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक्स का है ये. सो इंटरनेशनल इकोनॉमिक्स एंड बेसिक्स ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी, बिकॉज इंडियन इकोनॉमी विद WTO रिलेशंस क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड. सो यू कैन डू दिस चैप्टर. यस. Then comes growth and development. That's why I love this book. This book has variety of topics. This book provides you international economics, growth and development, macro. अब देखिए यहाँ से आप हेरोड डेमर कर लेंगे. If you have basic idea about हेरोड डेमर, then okay. If you have not done, तो हेरोड डेमर आपको यहाँ से कर लेना है. Very good. Theoretically, you can cover here. New classical theory, very beautifully explained. So you can cover here. Then comes endogenous basics. You can skip. I think they don't ask. But Levitt's theory is important for growth and development. You should do. Here you can skip, no, not important. Nature of unemployment, Emerson theory, capital intensive, you can skip. Development, labor surplus, already done. Yeah, wage good model was asked in HCU in 2016. So this topic you should do. Sen and Bhagwati approach theory you can do. तो इस तरह से आपका कंप्लीट हो गया. कंप्लीट मैक्रो मैंने बता दिया आपको कौन कौन से चैप्टर करना है. सो प्लीज पॉज दिस एंड प्लीज नोट इट डाउन. जैसे चैप्टर 39 इंपॉर्टेंट है. Similarly, you can do chapter 38 important है. So similarly on the page you please note it down whose chapters are important for you and which chapters are not important for you, and accordingly you should do. Again I am ensuring you this book covers majority of portion, और उसमें क्या है, इस बुक से मैक्रो आपका कवर हो रहा है. majority of macro. It should be supplemented by Froen book, Richard Froen or Dormis Fisher. But if you are able to cover this book, your 90% of macro question will be solved फ्रॉम CUET. मैक्रो हो रहा है, इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड के कुछ टॉपिक सॉल्व हो रहे हैं, कुछ इंडियन इकोनॉमी के टॉपिक सॉल्व हो रहे हैं, कुछ ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट के टॉपिक सॉल्व हो रहे हैं, राइट. सो प्लीज रीड दिस बुक केयरफुली एंड प्लीज पुट अटेंशन अकॉर्डिंग टू पास्ट ईयर पेपर. ऑलवेज कीप PYQ विथ यू, ऑलवेज. So I hope this video was fruitful to you. You please join the Telegram channel, and course has been already started. I have kept fee only 2199, only 2199. So if you are interested, you can please join the course without any delay, and I ensure you nearly 50%, yes, 50% of CUET question is directly from my class lecture. Hardly I teach 20 to 25 classes for entire coverage of CUET syllabus. So I hope this video was fruitful to you. Next video में हम लोग आएंगे सल्वाटोर के कौन से चैप्टर पढ़ना है, सल्वाटोर, और फिर HL अहूजा का आपका जो माइक्रो वाला बुक है, माइक्रो बुक MI, कौन सा चैप्टर है, दैट आई विल बी कवरिंग. देन मोस्ट अवेटेड रमेश सिंह, व्हाट आर द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स ऑफ रमेश सिंह ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी, दैट आई विल बी कवरिंग इंडियन इकोनॉमी के लिए. एंड देन विल कम ML झिंगन का कौन सा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, दैट आई विल बी कवरिंग book wise, same PDF wise. So hope this video was fruitful to you. Please subscribe the channel and please share this video people who can't afford coaching, who can't afford good institutes, so that they can learn from this. So bye bye guys, see you soon in the next video. और मैंने टेलीग्राम का लिंक दे रखा है, और एनी टाइम इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी एनी टाइम एट टेलीग्राम @N capital Navi NAVEET. दैट इज. एंड अबाउट सेक्शन में आप यूट्यूब के मेरे देख लेंगे, वहाँ पे मैंने अपना ईमेल आईडी भी दे दिया है. तो बाय बाय गाइस, मिलता हूँ मैं आपसे अगले वीडियो में विथ न्यू टॉपिक्स एंड द प्रोमिसेज आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि आई हैव टू कवर दिस सल्वाटोर, HL अहूजा, माइक्रो, झिंगन एंड ऑल. चलो सी यू सून, बाय बाय गाइस.